Hi! In front of me is CAT S75 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. You need to begin by opening Devices settings. In them, click on Connected Devices and select Connection Preferences. Now just tap on Printing and Default Print Service. Then wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. In order to use different print service, remember to disable this one by clicking on this switcher. Then go back, tap on Add Service, and download the best one for your printer. I will go with HP one. When your new service is ready, tap on the back button twice. Lastly, click on it and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!